Everybody, Holli here from HolliDay AnyDay, and today I thought we'd make something kind of yummy and fresh for the new year. Just homemade green juice, real simple. I actually use this in a cocktail also, so check the website because you can check out the cocktail. It's called Detox on the Rocks. But let's start with this for now. We're going to use some kale. I'm going to chop it up. I'm using a Vitamix because I did have a juicer, but I kind of just hated cleaning it. So I went to the Vitamix. It's a little bit simpler to clean, a lot simpler to clean. So we're start with some kale. Let's go with some Granny Smith apple for a little bit of sweetness. Just gonna cut into chunks just to help it out a little bit. Okay. Then the thing I really like about this juice is it's got a whole lemon in it, including the peel. So it's very lemony and tangy, which I think makes it taste super yummy. A little bit of celery. Okay. A little cucumber, a little baby cucumber. And like I said, I'm just chopping it up to make it simpler for the machine. And a whole lemon. Regular or Meyer. I think this might be a Meyer. This came out of my yard this morning. Okay. Good chop. Okay. Let's throw this guy in here. Then we're going to add, maybe up to a cup of water, just to help it get rolling. Okay. Let's pull our Vitamix over here. Give them a go. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, if you're using a regular juicer, it'd be ready to roll. Since we're using the Vitamix, I'm gonna strain it because I like it thinner. I mean, I guess you could drink it like this, but especially if you're gonna use it in a cocktail, you wanna strain this out. So I'm just gonna put it through a fine strainer. You see it'll drip right out. How pretty that is. I think the lemon probably helps it stay really bright green too. So what you want to do is basically just do this little routine for a while. Get the idea. Let's set this aside. I made some this morning. Let me show you what it looks like when it's all done. See how pretty and green it is? Let's give it a taste. Pretty glass. See how nice and thin that is? And like I said, on the website, we've got a cocktail called Detox on the Rocks, where we use this with vodka and agave. It is to die for, so you have to try that. So let's give this a sip. I feel healthier already. It's easy breezy.